Dear friends, we are informing you a very sad news. Popular crafting YouTube star Melanie Ham has passed away at the age of 36. He has passed away due to a rare cancer. We will give you more detail in the video, but before that we have a request. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Popular DIY and crafting YouTube star Melanie Ham passed away from rare cancer at age 36. As her husband says, the mother of two fought like a warrior queen. 36-year-old mother of two from Los Angeles gained more than 8 lakh followers on YouTube for her saving crochet, with some of her videos reaching over 5 million views. However, in January 2019, Melanie also began sharing details of her health struggles after receiving that doctors had found mass in her kidney in December 2018. May his soul rest in peace. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.